Want to save battery life on your phone? In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable low power mode on iOS 18 in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Then simply toggle low power mode on. You'll notice the battery icon turns yellow, indicating it's active. An even faster way is through Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, look for the battery icon and tap it to enable low power mode. If you don't see it, tap and hold, and then tap Add Control. Look for low power mode. Once you've found it, tap it. Tap again, and then finally tap the icon for low power mode to turn on. Or just ask Siri. Say, "Hey Siri, turn on low power mode." And that's it. Now you know 3 quick ways to enable low power mode on iOS 18. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.